Aaron Lindley with Legacy Concrete Coatings in the Charlotte, North Carolina area. He has a diamond, y'all. This one is so legit. Smoke Quartz 2022 Akins Ford F-150 Platinum Covert Edition. Oh my gosh. This Smoke Quartz is a highly underrated color, essentially because you don't see it quite near enough. Look right here in the lighting. It's got that grayish blue tint to it that just hits so well. We normally come here and film under the shade right there, but this one just had to be out in the sunlight for all of its glory. Look at that front right there. So the platinum up front typically comes with this upper, bottom, and middle bar. This middle bar is chrome, this upper and bottom is that brushed aluminum look, and we kept the little chrome dimples in the center of the grille, and of course did away with the Ford blue and did Smoke Quartz with satin black on the perimeter, leaving the chrome on the script, and that satin through the middle, y'all, with a body color, Smoke Quartz top and bottom. Look at that grille, it's so distinct. It just has a great overall balance to it, and it just flows all the way through the truck. So coming down the side here, you notice too, did a full blackout inside there with the satin and then the Smoke Quartz inside the headlight around your high beam and low beam for a true Willies distinct difference in your overall detail. It's all about, look at that front end. Oh my gosh, that is so legit, y'all. That front right there coming down the road is so distinct and bold. Now you probably already seen those Venom-Rex wheels right there, so you know what's up. When we brought out the Venom-Rex 601, the Mystic Black, did his calipers in race red to match and just have a nice little off-road vibe to it. 295 60/20, that's a 34, so we are leveled on 34s. You heard me, y'all. I love this truck. This truck is so unique. We do so many of the similar colors, and I like doing variations. I got the Fox 2.0 leveling kit suspension system. It's a 2.0, 2 inches taller in the front with the Fox coilover. You got Fox Shocks Performance Series out back. It is a nice leveled out balance, and just that kit alone, even on stocks, rides better. It just has a great overall improved ride quality and handling and feel to it. Y'all, those Venom-Rex wheels right there are notorious on the Raptor scene and just this type of vehicle, that off-road street vibe. And coming around the side, let me show you this money shot right here from the side that I love so much. And hit Aaron up for all your concrete needs in the North Carolina area and beyond, y'all. Trying to get his TikTok on point, and it's growing. So love our customers, love our customers. Did satin black on this side badge, which is usually like a brushed aluminum. Kept the F-150 Platinum the way it sits. Did Smoke Quartz on the side mirror right there. Has a great balance there, flowing down to your body color on your door handles. And coming around to the back, he wanted something more unique, so we took off his 4x4 sticker in lieu of a 4x4 Covert Edition. It's very discreet. That's what I love about it. It's not too bold to where it still flows. You know, you could probably almost take it off and not have anything there, but because that's so subtle, it works, in my opinion. Keeping the chrome on the exhaust tip. They kept the chrome in the tail lights, but did the Smoke Quartz on the outside perimeter there, and interlay right there to just kind of clean up and get rid of some of that red. And then he actually saw a video of this color back in the day from one of our customers from Canada, a great guy as well, and did the Smoke Quartz and leaving everything else, the OE, brushed aluminum or chrome out back. But look at that statement right there. I mean, just taking the evolution of our Covert editions, like this right here is at the pinnacle because we just keep adding more and more detail, which makes it more and more unique. Smoke Quartz there. Love this truck. This is one of my favorites. Here in the sunlight too, look at that. Love it. Now, kept that chrome on your handle and did a Retrax bed cover and the bed slide 1000 CL. I love this. You know, if you got things that you access quite often, like concrete equipment, you put everything here, you slide it back to retrieve it, slide it right back with the bed slide, and everything works money. Now with the Powerboost engine, he has 2 kilowatts of onboard power, and that would furnace and take care of you know, concrete saws or lighting or any additional needs, tailgating as well. All your power source is sitting right there to take care of most all your needs. Now you got your hands full as I do, you come to the back of the tailgate, you just boom with your leg and it comes right up. Also on the remote, It has a power function there, so up and down now with ease. Another side shot over here with a little more sunlight. So legit. Now the Powerboost engine is one I want to talk about now. The Powerboost engine is class leading in power and horsepower. Not talking about the Raptor high output engine, but the Powerboost is the premier option and the only option on a limited truck, and it has so much torque and horsepower that it's very surprising. And you come to a red light and you stop, and the engine, you don't hear anything, the engine cuts off, or it's just not running based on the outside conditions. So that is something that you have to get used to, but I love this engine. If I was not going to be in a Raptor engine power plant, I would go with the Powerboost. So you've got a hybrid motor inside your transmission casing, and then you got the standard 3.5 liter pumping out so much power and torque. It is very impressive. Just like the inside of our Covert edition. Look at the platinum accents. We got the black leather, well, I'll call it that terracotta brown on the inside. It just really makes everything hit and pop in a total different way. He's got great convenience features like lane keep assist, blind spot monitor, adaptive cruise control. You've got some Falks wood throughout to match. A little startup for you. And see, it's running, y'all. The vehicle is running, but look at our tach over there. 0 RPMs. So weird. I touched the gas a little bit and it finally cuts on and it's ready to go. It's pretty hot today. It's 92 degrees, so it's definitely using the actual engine at this current mode with the air on also. So Aaron is going to love this, and he's been very patient in the process. Our guys did a great job on it, but just ordering the truck, it taken a while to get here. Ricky McEachern was the salesperson. That Ricky's a go-to. I can assure that Ricky's going to take care. Ricky McEachern, he's going to take care of you with your vehicle needs. It's an easy process with Ricky and us here at Akins, and this one is a beauty. I can't wait to see him on Saturday when he scoops this thing up. But so many goodies as far as power options and features and functionality. You got your generator mode, your power on board, hit your backup camera, and you can cycle through 360 backup camera, forward 180, bed camera for all your cargo, trailer camera, hitch camera, and then a straight backup camera with your grid lines changed as your steering wheel turns. That and there to exit. Love the nav and the responsiveness of this new 12-inch touchscreen. You got a lot of amenities on the inside with all of the Covert edition goodies on the outside. I mean, this truck was a beautiful truck in the stock form, but this is like next level stuff that you just don't find anywhere else, y'all. It's just a really unique situation we've got going on here, and we're able to get customers that allow us to show different variations and options is great, because Aaron and I, honestly, we had several different thoughts about the way to take this truck, even with the paint scheme down to the end, you know, incorporated a little bit less of the chrome, and I just know that he's going to love it once he sees it in person, especially just because of the overall balance. The balance that this truck has is what makes it special to me. I've seen a lot of the smoke Quartz, like Corey White said, with a factory wheel, and it looks good, but you can flow it right here with a different wheel and tire option, and just add all the extra options and paint package to where it's got a money setup and stance to it. Leveled on 34s and 20s, a Venom Rex wheel with lots of amenities and creature comforts to make your everyday experience even better. And all your concrete needs, you got to hit them up, y'all. The Legacy is where it's at. Aaron, thank you so much, sir. I know you're going to watch this before you come to see us. So just know, man, that, you know, a lot of heart and soul went into this. And we hope to do business again in the near future. I'm your boy, y'all. Peace out.